So today we're going to be dipping into the Colourpop Going Coconuts palette. As soon as I saw this, I wanted it so badly, and so I ended up getting it for my birthday from my husband. So let's just get right into it. So the packaging is super cute, and it's like a nice like plastic, and it's hard. And then it just has like the gold foil Going Coconuts and then Colourpop. And then when you open it up, there's a little, so make sure you can actually see. There's a little like film over the mirror to like help protect it. And there's a really good size mirror, which I really enjoy because it's like when you're sitting, I could do my whole face with this mirror, like not even just my eyeshadow. Anyways, it's just beautiful. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And let's dip right into it. So I think I'm gonna start off using my MAC eyeshadow base, or my Painterly paint pot. And I'm just gonna take this on my eyelids. You could also use concealer. I got this for my birthday from my mom, so I've been wanting to use it. And then we're gonna go in with our first color. I'm gonna be using, let's go in with Lovely Bunch. Straight into the crease. So far, there's not too much fallout in the pan, and it's applying really nice and really smooth. I'm gonna go in with a bit of a smaller brush and go in with a little bit of Nutty. It has a bit more fallout, but the pigment is really nice and it's blending really nice. I'm gonna go back in with that first blender brush and blend that out. Of Coolada. And then I'm gonna bring Lovely Bunch one more time with that same shade brush that I used the darker color. I'm gonna put that right over the lid. Dip. I love these colors. I'm just trying to decide which one I want to use. I'm gonna go with Coco Crush with my finger. Ooh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna apply, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm gonna go right in the center of the lid. I think I'm gonna take this kind of on the inner half because I want this color everywhere. Shell Yeah. And I'm just gonna go over where the shimmery color meets that darker brown. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Shredded. This one has like a slight shimmer, but I can't tell if it's from the palette or if it's the actual color itself, but it is very pigmented. I'm just gonna it looks like it does have shimmer. Just very fine. But it's very pigmented and you only need like the littlest amount. I'm gonna put that on the inner corner as well. Really creamy. And I'm just gonna use my brush to kind of blend those edges. This like pointed kind of brush, and go in with Nutty. And I'm just gonna go across the lash line and just kind of smudge it. Because I don't really feel like applying eyeliner, but I want some depth. And then I'm gonna use my finger again just to go in with that Coco Crush because I really want it to just like boom. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with Palm Reader, which is like the white, like coconut looking color. And I'm gonna go on the inner corner. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna apply a little whatever's left on underneath the arch of my eyebrow. Now I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, and then I'll come back and tell you my final thoughts. Hello everyone, I just wanted to give you my final thoughts on the Going Coconuts palette. To be honest, I absolutely love this palette. It's definitely going to be one of my new staples in my makeup kit because it has like all of my everyday shadows all in one palette, so I don't have to bring multiple different ones, because like sometimes like you like a brown from this palette and then you like the like crease shades from like this palette, and then it just gets a lot. So it's really travel friendly. The quality of this one is amazing. I had a better experience using the Going Coconuts than I did like the Frozen palette. The quality is just definitely there, and it's a good size. It's also has a really amazing mirror, so if you were traveling, it'd be the perfect palette, because like the mirror, like you could do your whole face in the mirror, you know, where sometimes they're like itty bitty mirrors and you can't even like see anything, and then you end up looking crazy because you don't really see like the big picture. The pigmentation is amazing, and I can't get over it. Like that one middle shade that I used on my lid in the center, I just am so in love with. It's so beautiful. I just love my eyeshadow today. I just feel so glowy and just ready for a tropical vacation. So if you do want to get this palette, I believe it's $12, which is an amazing price for such an amazing quality palette. I just ordered it straight off of Colourpop.com because I tried getting it through Ulta, but they didn't have it. So, I mean, you could do it that way. And I know like they give 10% like on your first order. So, you know, save a little bit of extra money that way as well. But yeah, I highly recommend it. It was just amazing, and I'm gonna be using this like every single day. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and if you end up getting the palette, then definitely comment down below and let me know what you think and your favorite shade in the palette. I know it's hard to pick, but if you had to pick one color that was your favorite, which one would it be? Mine was definitely like, I think it was like Coco something. Let me see. Mine would be Coco Crush, hands down. Like, it's so beautiful, and my eyes look so blue right now. Do you see this? All right, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.